Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech It Simple. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a newsletter in Mailchimp. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming updates from us. Mailchimp offers high-quality email services that is a charming, quirky and perfect way for freelancers looking to stay in touch with clients and prospects once or twice a month. If you'd like to create an email newsletter for your Mailchimp, then first make sure that you've downloaded Mailchimp on your smartphone and make sure you have an account. First sign up for a Mailchimp account, and once you have it, tap it open. In order to create an email newsletter in Mailchimp, simply go ahead and create a campaign. First tap on the campaigns icon at the bottom of the screen. And if you don't have a campaign yet, tap on the pen and paper icon at the top right-hand corner. Now select Create an Email. Choose a template from the options given to you on the next page. Click on Select at the top right. Now simply go ahead and name your campaign. Let me choose this one for my campaign name. And now tap on Save at the top right where it says Recipient. Give it a tap and choose the audience. Go ahead and type in your email subject right where it says Enter a subject and tap on the Save button in the top right-hand corner. You can add in some preview text right where it says Preview Text. Let me just type random letters over here just to show it to you and tap Save. Finally tap on Confirm and Send at the top right-hand corner, and that is how you'll be able to create a newsletter in Mailchimp. I hope the tutorial was helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more tutorial videos like this. Thanks for watching.